Hey there guys, thanks for tuning in today. I just wanted to show you guys really quick how I remove the background from my thumbnail photos and other stuff that I post in my videos. I had a heck of a time trying to figure this out myself, and I found many programs that didn't work at all for me that were suggested by other YouTubers. This one just seems to work the best for me personally. So let me show you how I do this. So I'm going to pick, we'll do a picture of me in my sexy pajamas right here. Boom, and this is remove.bg. That's the thing, and it just automatically took the background right out. Now, if you can tell, my toes down on the right side of the picture are missing. It cut out that part because it thinks that that's part of the background. So what I can do is I can hit this edit thing up here, and then it brings this up. Now, if you can see the bottom of the screen, you can see I can put different backgrounds and stuff in there, or I can hit this little erase and restore thing. So I like to offset. I don't know if you can, you see the little hand right there? When I move this up and down, this offsets where the pointer is, and I have a pen or anything for my phone. So this is where I'm going to have it as far down offset as I can. I'm gonna, let's see, I'm gonna put the handle right there. You see how big I can make that, the eraser thing, or I can make it really small. So I'm gonna make it really small, about right there. I'm gonna hit restore, okay? So now you just have to kind of aim, and I'm gonna put my toes back in there. Okay, now as you can tell, I really did put too much in there. But, whoa, look at that. And if you mess up like that, you can just hit the little back arrow, and you're good. So, I'm going to hit the erase now since I did too much. I'm just going to go, boop, erase that little part of the carpet in front of my foot, and then I'm done. Isn't that great? I hit download, and it downloads it directly to my phone. Boom. No anything. Nothing wrong with it. It's perfectly fine. But if I wanted to add a background to it, like, oh look, it makes it look funny if I put myself sitting on this wall, or have myself like sitting on like a separate street. It's all fine and dandy. Or you can have, well, you can pick your different colors, or you can just pick one of the pre-colored right here. Oh yeah, I'm blue, I'm green, I'm yellow. Well, that's yellow. That's like baby poop green. Either way. So you can pick a myriad of different background and stuff. But what if you do, we'll hit this up here, and we're going to hit back. Okay, going to hit upload image again, and it's going to go to browse. And then I'm going to go to this. This is a project I'm currently working on. So you'll see more of this here in a different video. But this is the shelves, and it just cut out the background of the concrete that I put them on to take a picture of. So that's helpful because then I can actually put it in. You can still see the background of what's going on behind it. So that's really cool, I think. I can hear. I'm gonna, oh, you know what? I'm gonna say this is hilarious. I want to make this. Boom. Use the force. I just cut the whole background out of that, and it's gone. Now I can actually take this and say, you know what? Use the force in this weird hallway thing, or use the force over these colors. I don't know. I can put all this stuff, I can put the background in like this and make it like that, and boom. That's kind of funny. And we'll do remove. This is one of the reasons why I found it, because I wanted to make my logo not have a bunch of white and stuff in it, and it removes all the background from my logo. Now it's kind of hard to tell right now, but check this out. You can go to here and you can actually blur it to make it not as blurry, a little bit less blurry, and not blurry at all. And then you can say, okay, let's see what it looks like, driving on this road. Look at that. Great, right? Or what about the beach? No, I can't really see it. What about this? Looks like someone tagged the wall with my logo. That's pretty cool. Okay, so you can actually see that now that I removed the background, all the parts that were removed, the color from behind is showing through. Pretty awesome, right? like it. It works. There's just plain white. There is like a pier thing. And all these are preloaded on here. These backgrounds, you can pick any of them that you want and you can put it on there. That one kind of fits, but either way. So yeah, there's that. And then you just hit download and it downloads it right to your phone how you picked it. And I like to do it like this, like where it's just plain, usually so that it can be, I can put it into my other program and I can say, you know, okay, I'm going to download whatever, and it puts it there. So now I can delete this, I can delete that, and look at this. This is the brand new one I just made. The Crafty Reviewer, because I seem to review a lot more stuff than I, you know, pew for my pew-pewers out there. So look at that. It just removed the background completely from it. All the little pieces that were white are now gone, and they disappeared. Don't believe me? Let's look at it with another background behind it. Ooh, that's beautiful. Look at that. Over like a piece of wood or something. That's kind of cool. Kind of crafty, right? I like it. Let's see here. What about, like, what's this? Okay. What about like wood and then brick? Huh. Looks pretty cool, pretty cool. Okay. Over the desert scene with the road. No, that's, I don't know. Not, doesn't really tickle my fancy very much. It's like granite, I think. But yeah, so you can pick any of this stuff. And you can also come down here and pick a color. Like, oh, you know, I think I look good with yellow behind it, or orange, or not orange, gray even, solid black. Nope. There we go. This looks like the different YouTube channels thing. I don't really like that. What about some oranges? Coffee break. Don't mind me. Cool lights in the background. Nope. Okay. But yeah, you can do all this stuff. You can pick any of this kind of stuff. Ooh, what about over grass? That kind of looks cool. Who doesn't like grass? Well, it doesn't really look that great if you ask me, but whatever. But yeah, so this really is whatever tickles your fancy. You can do that. You can do this. You can come here and just play with it and say, you know what? I just want it plain. Boom, we're gonna do it plain. And then you hit download. It downloads for free. Now, if you do download HD, then you have to do the then it says, okay, it's 1 credit. You have to buy it or you have to sign in, and then you have to buy the credits after a while. And I'm just like, I'm good, because then I already hit download. It's already in there. So then I can straight up go here. I can go to my boom, and now if you see this, it looks like it's just like it's all black. But there's no white behind it because it's removed. So it's the background is completely gone. So there's no white to contrast the rest of it. So if you do that, if you look at it like that, then it's like, oh, what happened to my picture? But if you take it and you go somewhere like thumbnail maker here, and then you go to like create, I like to go to the thumbnails, and then you can go like, no, hey, let's see this. We'll go to, let's pick a nice background, like a piece of wood or something. I don't know. This app was amazing. Still is pretty cool, if you ask me, but it got a little bit weirder when it got the app, or not the ad, the ads in there, which I understand they have to make their money somehow too. But still. So then you can go down to the image thing. You can use from gallery. Boom. And then there's an ad, continue app, and see now you still can't see it, but hit OK, and oh, there it is. Okay. So I like this app because you can take your newly backgroundless pictures and give them a background of any background you want. Then you can actually add effects to the background if you want. Since if you like the wood background, then you can do that. And like, oh, you know what? I think it look good with like these starlight thingies, or like embers coming off of it, or like a starry sky. Or bam! Look at that crafty reviewer. dots or something like that, right? Like a sandy kind of thing. I don't know. Either way, that's pretty cool. And you can change the, opacity of it like that with moving this thing back and forth. Make it look like crumbled paper, and then move it down a little bit so it's like, oh look, it looks like crumbled wood or the wood's breaking or something. You can go like, oh look at that, that's pretty. Oh, hearts, that's pretty. Okay. But either way, you can do all this kind of stuff with it to make it like your thumbnails. Okay. Wow, that's fancy. And you can make it as backgroundy as you want, or as not backgroundy as you want. Okay. And then you can, of course, you can put stickers in there. You can say, oh yeah, look, they have some stickers you can put there, here, there, wherever. And let's do these fireworks ones, because why not, right? Now, if you really like this, but you're like, oh, but my background is behind it, you can change it, and you can say, oh look, I'm going to put my logo in front of it. Boom, look at that. So you can move your logo around, you can make it smaller, you can spin it around, make it this way, however you want to do it. Pretty fun stuff. But this is why this is how I learned to, I taught myself really how to remove the background from my pictures and my different stuff that I make, because I actually made this this logo myself in Design Space, in the Cricut Design Space, and then I took like a snapshot of the screen with the iPad I made it on, and then I edited out all the other stuff and then just had the white background, and then I came over here and I erased the background of the white. So I thought that was pretty cool. But anyways, guys, that's basically how you do it. So remember, it is this remove.bg, and you just hit upload image, and you're there for one of my other YouTube channels. And I I just had to do that. But if you notice, oh goodness, edit, and right here it kind of like kept the background in right by my wallet. So I could erase that, make it smaller. I can sit here and I can chip away at it and edit it out really nicely without like cutting too much of my shirt off, and don't want that. But either way, so you can do this, and you can say, I'm gonna make that little brush a little bit bigger since now it's not in the crevice or crevasse or however you say it. I'm not French, I don't know. So anyways, that's basically it. And then you can take it and you can, of course, give it a background, like, oh look, hey, I'm in, was it the Alps or something with my wallet? Isn't that pretty? Cool. Alright. But then that's it. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and hope that it helps with you removing your background, because I went through about 15 different apps and it was just frustrating because I had to like color in the spots I wanted to be gone, and this one just does it for you, and then you can edit it here and there if you need to. So anyways, guys, hope you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below. Have a great day, and thanks for watching.